Hello children, today we are going to start chapter number 2, book exercise of class 8. So first one, fill in the blank. So here are the fill in the blanks, true and false, choose the correct answer and the question answers. So the book exercise you have to complete in your textbook, that is fill in the blanks, true and false and choose the correct answer. The question answers you are going to complete in your notebook. For that you have to write the chapter number, chapter name, the heading, answer the following question. Then you have to copy down the question from your textbook and the answers I will be giving you. Okay children, so first one, complete fill in the blanks. Dash are links that associate a field in one table with a field in the other table. So answer is relationship. Okay, so write relationships, relationships. Second one, the two types of queries are select query and dash queries, that is action, ACTIO and action. Third one, dash queries are used to retrieve data from the table, that is select, right? SELECT, select. Fourth one, dash view is used to change the look and feel of the form. It is layout, LAYOUT, layout. Next, state whether the given statements are true or false. So delete query is an action query, it is true, so you have to write true. Second one, the relationship between the tables cannot be deleted, it is false, write F. Third one, the top pane of the query window displays the selected table, it is true, so write T. Fourth one, in the design guide, if a checkbox is checked, the data from the field is not displayed in the query list, it is false. Now choose the correct answer. This row of the design guide is used to specify conditions for a query. So answer is criteria. Take the D1. Second one, dash row of design and guide display check boxes for each field. The answer is show. D you have to take. Next, third one, this view of the form can be used to add control, field button and other functionality to automate frequently performed action. So answer is design view, C1. So this was the book exercise children. So you have to take and write the answers in the textbook only. Now coming to the question and answers. So here are the question answers. You have to mark these question answers. You have to write the page number in front of that question. First one, define primary key and foreign key. The answer is on page number 19. So you have to write here page 19 and open page number 19. Okay. So coming to the page number 19, you have to mark the answer. Primary key, it is a field which uniquely defines every record in a table. Foreign key, it is the another field. It is a field in another table which matches the primary key of the first table. So this is the answer number 1 you have to mark. Coming to the again page 27. Second question, what is the function of the OR property row in the design guide of the query window? Coming to the page number 22, before that you have to mark from the question. From here the OR property, after this you have to write from the page number 22. Okay, so the OR property is used to set multiple criteria. This is answer number 2. Then coming to the question 3, explain briefly the 3 different views of the form. Page number 24. Open page 24. Page number 24. Here, from here you have to mark in SS GUT 2010. A form can be displayed in 3 main views. First one, it is form view, point, used to enter or edit data. Second, design view, used to adjust the design of the form, add new control and field to the design guide. Property sheet helps to customize the form. Third one, layout view, is used to change the look and feel of the form, allow to view the data while modifying the form. So from in Access, a form can be displayed in three main views till modifying the form. This is the answer number 3. You also have to write, children, here answer number 3. Properly mark the question and answers so that you can easily do your work in your notebooks. Next, answer number 4. The question is, what is a report? Explain the steps that are used to create a report. So coming to the page number 25. All of you take out page 25 here. Okay. Creating a report is the heading under this. From the very first line, a report is an object in Microsoft Access that is used to display and print data in an organized manner. We can use report to view, format and summarize data. After that, this is the answer of the first part, that is, what is report. Now, you also have to write the steps to create a report in MS Excel. So, these are the steps. Then again you have to, in the next line you have to write from here, the steps to create a report in MS Access are: first one, select the table in the navigation pane to generate a report. Select create tab and click report button from the report group. Save the report with the suitable name and close it. This is answer number 4. Okay children. Now coming to the page 27, again last answer, that is, explain the steps that are used to create a relationship between the two tables with a suitable example. Page number 19 and 20. You have to write here 19, 20. Then you have to open page number 19 and 20. So this is page number 19. From here, creating a relationship. Okay. First one, select database tool tab and click relationship between from the relationship group. Second point, now to relate one or the more tables, click the show table button. Third one, select a desired table to add to the relationship window and click add button. Fourth one, repeat the above two steps to add more tables. The selected tables appear on the relationship window. After this, coming to the page number 20. Click close button. Drag the primary key field from the first table to the corresponding foreign key field in the second table and click create button. After this, you have to write from here, a relationship is now created between the two tables. This is identified by a line connecting the two tables. First point, click close button to close the relationship window. Second, click save button from the quick access toolbar to save the relationship. This is answer number 5. You have to start from creating a relationship to save the relationship. This is answer number 5. So children, I hope you have understood the question and answers I have given you. So you have to mark it properly so that you can complete your work easily. And these, the fill in the blanks, true false, MCQ, you have to do in your textbook only. Only the question and answers you have to do in your notebook. No other thing you have to write in your notebooks. Okay children, so complete your work in a very beautiful and a good handwriting. Thank you.